Assalamu alaikum all viewers and dear students. We have a new question for you. This question is very interesting. Let's come we start 2 power x 2 power minus x is equal to 4. How we calculate the value of x? Let's we take here one of the exponent is negative and one of the exponent is positive. So we take supposition here. Let's suppose that let 2 power x is equal to t. We give here equation number first and we take the negative exponent of on both sides by applying negative exponent, so we can multiply by on both sides minus 1 and both are multiply this exponent, we get minus x is equal to t power minus 1 and we can write this value 1 by t. So all these two results, the first equation and the second equation, we replace in equation number A. Substitute the values in equation number 1 and 2 and A. We will get here the answer. We get here 2 power x is equal to t. This is equal to t plus, and in place of 2 power minus x we get here 1 over t is equal to 4. Now we are multiplying both sides by t are multiplied on both sides of this equation. So this is cancel. If we get here t square plus 1 is equal to 4t. Now this t is changed to the left side. We can write here t square plus 1 and 4t we can write minus 4t is equal to 0. Now arrange according to the quadratic form, quadratic equation. So t square minus 4t plus 1 is equal to 0. Now look here, if we are factorize here 1 multiplied by 1, so but middle term is problem here. So we are comparing with the standard form of quadratic equation. So this is equal to here. If we compare here, a is equal to 1 and b is equal to minus 4 and c is equal to 1. Now using the quadratic formula here, t is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac square root divided by 2a. According to this formula, we substitute the result here minus b is equal to minus 4 plus minus b square minus 4 square minus 4 into c is equal to 1 and c is equal to 1 divided by 2a. A is equal to 1. T is equal to plus minus 4 and 16 we get minus 4 divided by 2. Now we simplify this result. Now we simplify. T is equal to 4 plus minus 16 minus 4 we get here 12 square root divided by 2 and 4 plus minus 12 we can write 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 and t is equal to 4 plus minus 4 square root is equal to, according to the property, ab square root is equal to a square root and b square root, that is the property. So here 4 square root and 3 square root divided by 2 and t is equal to 4 plus minus 2 under the root 2 divided by 2. 1 is positive equal to 2 is common, 2 plus minus 2 under 3 under root and divided by 2. 2 are cancelled to each other. From this term 2 is taking common. 2 multiplied by 2 4 and 2 multiplied by 1 2. So we get here t is equal to 2 plus minus 3 under the root. So we get here this result. It becomes equation number first when 2x t in place of first type 2 plus 3 under the root. Again, if we take here is the problem, so because we are required taking log on both sides, so we can write taking log on both sides, taking log on both sides of this equation. So log of 2 power x is equal to log of 2 plus 3 under the root. We can write according to the exponent root. X log of 2 is equal to log of 2 plus 3 under the root. Now dividing both sides by 2, x log of 2 we divide on both sides log of 2 and log of 2 is equal to log of 2 plus 3 under the root divided by log of 2. This will be cancelled, we get here x, and also we simplify this result here log of 2 plus log of 3 under the root divided by log of 2. Now this log is divided by each value log of 2 divided by log of 2 plus log of 3 under the root divided by log of 2. So both are cancelled and x is equal to 1 plus, according to the base law we can write log 2 and 3 under the root. One of the solution we get here. Similarly, when we put here negative numbers and the other procedure here minus and also apply minus and here are same, and the last solution of this one is x is equal to minus log of 2 base 3. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.